Well, Iloilo is just home to so many strong women leaders who have shaped and inspired our country. And to this day, I see so much of that strength and that same grace reflected in so many Ilonggos. Amo na nalipay gid ko pirmi mag-visit diri sa Iloilo. Kay syempre, proud Ilongga man ko. Oo, gani. Sa mga wala kahibalo, kami nga mga Ontiveros, mga taga-Panay gid. Mga taga-Aklan, kag Capiz gid kami. Even if I was raised in Manila, sabi nila, my heart and my temperament are very Ilonggo. Managid kuno ako sa daddy ko. And every time I come back here, it truly feels like coming home. That's why I'm always so glad to meet, talk with, and just be with fellow Panaynons. You remind me of who I am and where I come from. It's even more special to be here today as we celebrate the liberation of Panay. Several decades have passed since our very own ancestors banded together, fought, and won the freedoms, the life that we live today. Sa Iloilo Provincial Employees and Community Multipurpose Cooperative, salamat gid for carrying forward the very Pinoy, very Ilonggo tradition of being there for one another, of mutual support, of bayanihan. What you do every day is living proof that this spirit is alive and well. I have always been a big believer in cooperatives, and I always will be. Kaya po sa Senado, nagpasa tayo ng mga batas tulad ng National Cooperatives Month at Local Cooperatives Development Officers Act because you deserve to be recognized, supported, and empowered by the very government you serve. I am so proud of all of you, mga kaupod. At bilang Vice Chair ng Senate Committee on Cooperatives, patuloy po nating isinusulong ang mga panukala tulad ng Local Cooperatives Development Fund na layong mag-establish ng pondo sa kada probinsya, kada syudad, at kada munisipyo. Sa ganitong paraan, mafo-formalize natin ang allocation ng local resources sa mga kooperatiba at mapapalakas talaga ang mga co-op as you are all key drivers of sustainable and inclusive development. Isinusulong din po natin ang revised co-op code. This is to support the expansion and sustainability of cooperatives throughout the nation. This also introduces a sustainable set of reforms aimed at strengthening governance and accountability in cooperative institutions. This measure also seeks to align operations with current economic, technological, and legal realities, as well as expand institutional support and government linkages. Through this bill, we aim to ensure transparency, financial integrity, and social responsibility. At syempre, kasama din po sa ating tinatrabaho ay ang Agricultural Cooperatives Act of 2025. This bill wants to strengthen agricultural cooperatives as key institutional partners in achieving national food security and inclusive rural development. Sa panahong naghihikahos ang ekonomiya, napakahalaga na mabigyan pa ng lakas ang ating mga magsasaka at mangingisda. We are working on all this 20th Congress. All of these are part of our commitment to support our co-ops. And we must do this even more, especially now. Ngayong panahon ng matinding krisis sa langis, sa ekonomiya, mas lalo nating kailangang mapalawak at mapatatag ang suporta sa isa't isa. That is exactly why, alongside the programs we are pushing to support cooperatives, I continue to fight for our most vulnerable, our women, our children, our senior citizen. Sa Senado, patuloy po ang pagsusulong ng mga panukala tulad ng Philippine Geriatric Center Act para magkaroon ng specialized hospitals. Hindi lang para sa ating mga lola, kaglolo, but also for those who suffer from geriatric illnesses. Our elders gave so much of themselves to us. It is now our turn and our honor to give back to them. By the way, this bill is such a highlight for my career so far because this year, I turned 60. Yes, dual citizen naman ako. See you in the senior lane. Sino dire ang senior citizens man? Yay! Oh, damo. So, kita tayo sa senior lane. I am also happy to share that the Senate already passed the National Autism Care, Support, and Inclusion Act that I authored. Yay! Damo nga salamat. This measure will ensure that the autism community is provided with greater social protections. Kasama na dito ang early detection kag diagnosis, ang pag-expand sa healthcare kag therapy, kag ang pag-guarantee sang inclusive education. Just like cooperatives, through these bills, we show that every Filipino deserves to be seen, to be cared for, and to belong. Kaya naman, noon pa man, kasangga niyo po ako sa mga polisiyang magpapalakas ng ating mga kooperatiba. Dahil ang paninindigan natin, dapat kakampi ng ordinaryong Pilipino ang kanyang gobyerno. Hindi kalahati o tingi-tingi, kundi buong tiwala, suporta, at pagkilala, lalo na sa mga kooperatiba tulad ninyo, na haligi ng pag-unlad ng ating mga komunidad. Time and again, cooperatives are among the first to step forward when people are in need, including our fellow workers in government. Kapag mabigat ang buhay, kapag kinakapos ang pamilya, kapag tila walang ibang malalapitan, madalas kayo ang unang nag-aalalay. Yan ang diwa ng pagiging Pilipino. Sa bawat serbisyong ibinibigay ninyo, ang itinatayo ninyo ay higit pa sa samahan, kundi kabuhayan, tiwala, dangal, at siyempre, pag-asa. Basta upod kamo, mas makusog ang syudad kag probinsya sang Iloilo. Salamat gid, damo nga salamat for all that you do and all that you continue to do. Mabuhay ang kooperatiba, mabuhay Iloilo,